Have you ever looked at a beautifully designed room and thought, I wish I could do that? Or maybe you've always had an eye for color, style, and detail, but never knew how to turn that passion into a career. Well, now you can. Welcome to the world of e-design, the modern way to start your interior design business completely online. With e-design, you don't need to rent an office. You don't need a showroom. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the right skills. Skills we're ready to teach you. Imagine working from the comfort of your home, helping clients create beautiful spaces, whether they're across the street or across the world. From cozy apartments to luxury homes, your designs can travel anywhere without you having to leave your desk. In our Learn eDesign Interior Design Business program, you'll master how to design and deliver stunning interiors using digital tools, how to understand your clients' needs and create professional mood boards and layouts, how to market yourself online and attract high-paying clients, how to set up your work from home business step by step. The best part? You don't need a degree in interior design to get started. Our training is beginner-friendly, practical, and designed to get you earning in weeks, not years. Whether you're looking for a fresh career, a side hustle, or a way to work creatively without the 9-to-5 grind, eDesign can open the door to financial freedom and creative fulfillment. You'll learn how to price your projects, how to communicate with clients online, and how to build a portfolio that makes people say, wow, I want to work with you. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to start your interior design journey, this is it. The industry is growing. People are spending more than ever on home upgrades. And with the right skills, you can be the designer they're looking for. And here's the best part. We're inviting you to attend our free webinar where we'll show you exactly how to start your own eDesign interior design business from home. In this free session, you'll discover how eDesign works and why it's the future of interior design, the essential tools and techniques you need, how to land your first paying clients quickly. Spots are limited, so don't miss this opportunity. Attend our free webinar and take the first step toward becoming a successful work-from-home interior designer.